Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the last class, we have discussed about mm, different things like threat intel. What is threat intel? And we have performed some activities on threat intel tools. For example, a virus total abuse IPDB and Cisco TANAS we have done. And in the today's class, we are going to see IBM X-Force. So let's get started into the topic. And now we will open the Google Chrome browser or any of the browser and we will type IBM X-Force in the search results. As a result, it will display IBM X-Force from the IBM cloud and we can directly click on the results from here. So when it opens, it will open the home page of this application. So as a user of first time who opened this application, it will ask for sign up or login. uh, Along with that, it is having an option called guest user. You can check the privacy policy settings and you can directly log into the guest user without giving any login details. I recommend use as guest users. When you are into the high level position in the security departments, you can directly create an account and you can submit a few malicious contents to this threat intel tools. But as an analyst, you just need to check uh, without logging into these tools itself. I recommend this thing as of now. When you're into the security architect, you just need to create an account and you need to explore the things. And let's go. So here we can check few different things as compared to the previous tools. Here we can check for the applications. For example, Spotify, AnyDesk, or Snapchat, any of the applications, we can check from here whether it is having any malicious content or not. And also, we have discussed in the previous classes that IP addresses, URLs. So now it comes to the vulnerability. So what is vulnerability? There are in the one who knows about the worst top 10 things like in application security we use it most, but as a result vulnerability is like when any of the tool is having or any of the application or any of the website has been compromised for these things and they have patched for these things, like they have observed some malicious content happened through an attacker through bypassed or something else. To patch that thing, they will report this vulnerability has been occurred and we have patched this thing. So like this, in the websites, we can find these things. Where can we find these vulnerability things? CVE detail, CVE database. We can directly cvmithri.organization. You can directly check from here itself. So the full form of this is common vulnerability exposure. So you can check also updated CV record, set CV list. So you can directly give CV records here. Let's get back to the here and we will check what other options we have. MD5 is hash. We can check for hash also. And also, let's see what can we do from here is application name. For example, I want to check any desk. So any desk is a mm, remote desktop application where users will connect from one place to another from another place through virtually to connect some servers or applications. So here it is saying, here it is showing that there are 95 results are there. So it was threat analysis happened, OS entry advisory happened, malware analysis happened, and they found that this AnyDesk application is a malicious application. Okay. So let's check for Spotify. Let's wait for the results and we will analyze. So Spotify is a non-malicious application. That's why it is showing zero results for the search. And we will get back to the our main page and we will check for any IP address 156.185.23.45. Some random IP I have taken. Okay. And this IP details we can check from here. So it is belongs to Egypt and this IP given to one of the mobile registrant and it is given on and it is updated on April 1st. Okay. eti/.com website related email related IP agencies. So it is not a malicious applicant and risk factor is only one, very less risk factor. So we don't rely on this thing. So let's check some other thing. Some other 45.126.35. Some random IPs only I'm taking, not any particular IPs, and it is related to unsuspicious and no known application. So it does not have any details of this thing. Not no worries. We have to check randomly. So this IP related to surfn.nl and you can see categories is unsuspicious. So we will go for the main page and we will check for some other things. And because we have seen IP addresses, URLs from last tools itself, you can check directly from here itself. So CV database, CV details. Or let's check any of the website and we will check those CV details. We just copy one of the CV details and we will check from here whether it is capable to identify this one or not. My network is little slow, that's why it is taking long. So here it is saying Lenovo Yoga Tab Pro, Lenovo related fix. Some vulnerability they have checked from the Lenovo. That is only they are displaying here itself. So you can check any of the CV related activity through vulnerability and message digest. Let's head over to MD5 malicious. Let's open this thing and I'll copy one random and I will paste it here. So let's see what are the results. See here it is showing high risk. That means this application, whatever the file name contains having hash of this particular hash is malicious. So we should not recommend our organization to allow this type of hashes. So like this we can check. Let's head over to the home page. So we have checked IP address, application name, URLs we can directly check from yourself. and vulnerability we have checked through CVID and MD5 also. Apart from this, you can scan any file. Let me scan any file from my computer itself. So just a second. So I'm having one file. I just wanted to check it. So I have uploaded this file, and this is unknown risk. That means I have made that file having some text in a Word document. That's why it is showing no risk. Like risk is unknown. There is no risk with this thing. So it is having the file is having this hash. Um, so it is like a false positive. Okay. So apart from that, we need to check botnet. So you can see there are multiple IPs here. Botnets are collecting here. So we can see here some of the botnets are integrated with this IBM X-Force. So IBM provides botnets to botnet services to their clients, and also it will categorize if the botnet recognize any of the malicious content with that botnet takes that, and it will display here. See, the green ones are non-malicious and the orange one is malicious. It is having a risk of 4.3, and categorization of this botnet uh, observed is that command and control server. So it is some of the malicious IP. So we don't recommend this type of IPs. And you can explore. There are a lot of things. Okay. So this is how we can analysis to the threat intel tools. So you don't need to worry about these tools for paid. These all tools are free tools itself, publicly available for free. You can use anytime, anywhere. You just need a device like mobile or laptop, and it is having some internet. Good internet can find it. But as a beginner, you need to search IP address. If you want a malicious IP address, you go to any of the Google or any of the browser and type malicious IPs you need. So it will give a certain results. From there you can copy and you can test yourself here. Same process for the file hashes, same process for the URLs. Don't rely on one tool, rely on multiple tools. A good SOC analyst or security analyst always rely on multiple threat intel tools, and he has to analyze all the tools for the all the different types of analysis. So it is a good practice of analysis. So I hope you have understand IBM X-Force Exchange. So here, if you want, I can explain the dashboard of this thing. So IBM X-Force tools will perform threat analysis reports. So you can check from here, and also OSINT, open source intelligence reports, advisories it also provides, and also threat group reports. And it will give malware analysis for the different types of applications and industry reports. Which type of industry has to be perfect, or it will analyze the industry analysis for the security assessments, and it will provide some reports. And you can view IBM Exposed Threat Intelligence Index like 2024. Now it is 2025. In the last year, what happened with the threat intelligence, how it has uh, analyzed, and those reports you can see from here. Like this, it is having phishing related and incident related and collaboration related and guardian related, app exchange related. early warning data before getting uh, any of the incident. It has recognized and already given to the users, identify, inform to the users that some activity is going to happen. Please stay tuned, like that malicious activity. And it is showing vulnerabilities. So we have discussed latest vulnerabilities, which is updated today, like Feb 9. It will show here, and publicly collections, and you can join any groups and your collections. What is your collections? What you have updated to them? Security blogs and botnet distribution. Hmm? Like you can just, you need to explore. One who explore everything perfectly in deep, they will have the more knowledge, like everyone have, like no one have. So please practice different types of tools. Don't rely on one tool. I hope you all are understanding these topics. Thanks for joining. Make sure please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Signing off, Black at Commando.